Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin your keyboard replacement, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing small screws and parts. 1. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 330 and disconnecting the charger. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. 2. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws holding it in place. Be sure to keep track of these screws, as they vary in size. 3. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the bottom panel using the plastic spudger. Gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. 4. With the bottom panel removed, you can access the internal components. Use your screwdriver to locate the screws securing the keyboard. In many models, there are usually 4 screws that you'll need to remove. 5. After the screws are out, carefully disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable. It's located near the battery, and it's important to handle it gently to avoid tearing. If you're unsure about handling the cable, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. 6. Now, lift the old keyboard out of its place. Be cautious, as there may be clips that need to be released. If you're finding it difficult, don't hesitate to seek assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for convenience, so you don't have to make any calls or travel. 7. Take your new keyboard and align it with the existing clips. Ensure that the keyboard ribbon cable is also aligned correctly to avoid any connection issues. Press down gently until it clicks into place. 8. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable securely. Make sure it's locked in place to prevent it from coming loose when you power on the device. 9. Replace the screws that hold the keyboard in place. This is a critical step, as loose screws can lead to further issues down the line. 10. Before reassembling the bottom panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal area with a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. 11. Finally, reattach the bottom panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten them to avoid stripping the screws. 12. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 330 and test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga 330. This repair can save you money and extend the life of your laptop, giving you a fresh start with a fully functional keyboard. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.